One.
It's rolling. Welcome to the
Short Girls
Collective. We do everything that tall girls do and more.
Everyone is single, no one's getting married.
All I'm creating a podcast and no babies. Yeah, situationship is definitely a big ick. This is where my energy is going. I want to be in a relationship because everybody wants to be cool. You are genuinely miserable from the day one of existence.
However, I think people who are really suffering are people who are in long distance relationships.
Uplifting, but also downlifting so that one doesn't go too high. Like,
I can't date someone who lives in Kamla Nagar, it's too far. Welcome to the Short Girls Connect.
Today we're discussing
Types of relationships.
surprisingly, there are so many relationships. You thought you just got married once and that was the end of it.
No,
You don't even know where to begin.
there are so many and yet there are none.
Somehow everyone seems to exist and not exist at all. This is the ideal relationship. When you don't know you're in a relationship.
Yeah,
That's
everyone is with someone, but everyone is single, no one's getting married.
No.
What's happening?
Wait, no. So I have two sets of people. I have you guys, and then I have my school friends, and everyone's married from my school friends. Literally everybody is married. One of my friends just told me she's going to have her second baby. And this is my running joke right now, is that all I'm creating are podcast and no babies and nothing. This is where my energy is going. All my pent-up energy goes here.
So what type of a relationship gives you the most ick these days?
I like this word. Clearly girls will even know.
I've been reading.
Situationship, I don't want to hear that.
I hate that word.
I've never liked it. I've never been.
Maybe does it even exist?
Of course, I've heard a guy say it. I'm currently in a situationship, and उसने भी pause लिया, so he knows what he's saying is a little bit off.
Yeah.
Like your subconscious would not allow for something.
Yeah.
else. But yeah, situationship is definitely a big ick. I'm not doing that.
Situationship different from just a booty call. Saying that, oh
It's
yeah,
a
I have a
recurrent-
booty call.
It's a recurrent one. Is a booty call a recurrent one?
Like I have a constant booty call.
Baba ji ki booty. Hearing this on reels, and the whole time I've been thinking of Patanjali's Baba Ramdev's booty.
Babaji's booty.
Cute.
That's too funny.
But recurring booty call seems like a situation.
Situationship.
Yeah. Ki matlab, I'll have this.
Things make a situationship.
I think the reluctance of a woman to just straight away say that, even though this sounds a bit sexist, but just to be like, I want to be in a relationship, because everybody wants to be cool.
Yeah.
It just seems so uncool to be the one who wants things. You want to be on the other end of wanting things, you know? That I'm already satisfied. I'm so secure with myself.
This
So
sucks.
content.
This narrative sucks.
You're not content with yourself.
Yeah.
You're so sad. You are genuinely miserable from the day one of existence. You are born into this world screaming and crying and begging to become back into that one hole. And the closest thing that hole, one hole.
It's divine alignment, I recently heard.
Divine
People crave relationships because it's the most
Yeah.
easiest way to feel divine alignment. And as humans, we are kind of like, what's the word? We are automated, or we are like programmed to want divine alignment. That's why people crave to be in relationships.
That's you're a broken one.
However, I think people who are really suffering are people who are in long distance relationships.
Long distance? What even is that? Does that exist in this world of situationship?
By long distance, I mean when someone lives in Noida and someone lives in Gurgaon, or when someone lives in Delhi and someone lives in like North Delhi, South Delhi.
You're never meeting. If the Kavariyas are a part of it, you're probably breaking up because of them. This will not happen. I know this guy, he's sitting right behind the camera. He's just broken up with this long-term girl. Because of the Kavariya, he's like, baby, it's Kavariya monsoon season. I don't think I'm ever going to see you
So
again.
it's very rare to see someone from South Delhi campus dating someone from North Delhi campus.
नहीं, ये तो होता था thanks to the metro.
It's hard.
Metro did it.
I can't date someone who lives in Kamla Nagar. It's too far.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's too far.
It's too far.
मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं. So like I can't. Like this is where I am at with my distances.
But people who are not suffering, power couples.
Power couples are not suffering. They're ruling the world together. All collab couples.
Oh,
Collab couples are
influencer couple.
when they merge their influence together and they form this little babe.
It's the best collab post.
So बच्चों को भी बेच देते हैं.
हाँ.
They like influencer
Yeah.
A met influencer B, then had AB,
Yeah.
baby, AB baby, and then उस baby ने अपना Insta खोल दिया and they already had millions of followers.
I'm always wondering, for influencer couples, I'm always wondering, are they really in love? And I don't care about these people, but for influencers, I will think about this.
कि are they in love?
Yeah, why? Why do we do that?
I think we did that with celebrities.
We do it with celebrities.
Initially, I think we used to think it's awe. Like, oh,
Yeah.
Kareena Kapoor met Saif Ali Khan. Oh,
Yeah.
dating before Saif
Saif.
Kapoor. वो वाला scene हो रहा था, वो जब we met it happened, and there was like some level of niceness to it. But as we've grown older and more cynical, and now we're in our 30s, we question everything.
We question it.
We're not like कोई मेरे को कुछ भी बोलेगा, it's a scam. Relationship
Scam.
also a scam.
That's true.
So celebrity relationships feel like a scam.
Yeah.
I genuinely I want to verify the truthfulness and the
Why do we want to do that? What does it matter to us?
It just seems so strange. But Millie Bobby Brown got married.
I find her so strange.
Stranger Things.
I've never seen Stranger Things.
Oh, maybe that's why you find her so strange. But मैंने इसका ज़्यादा नहीं देखा.
I know why I find her strange. I feel like she was a child actor who tried to grow up too fast with her body language and her fashion and her makeup. So I feel
yeah.
like she skipped through her childhood, which I find very
You're
weird.
right. You're right about that. Because when everyone else was still kind of being cute and stuff, she had like everything going.
She was there looking at the okay, I'm the president.
Older than us now.
Yeah, she looks old.
I mean, at that point, I feel like a little bit intimidated just thinking about
Yeah.
how are you so grown up? What's
gives
actually
me-
going on? She's giving her ick, man. She keeps getting these ick vibes from these girls. Millie Bobby Brown, on the other hand, what do you think about her getting married at 19?
I don't know. I think she should be in a closet and watch and not be married. I don't care about her marriage. I don't think she's an influencer or a power couple.
She doesn't qualify in either of these. She's just a celebrity. Just a celebrity.
But do you know any influencer couples that you think about?
वो Insta पे आते हैं, उनके names don't register.
Yeah.
The names are really hard to. It'll probably be like Brandy and Kim or something. उनका
Is there a couple that you think fondly about?
which one?
Any couple, any format or any...
I used to think like that about Brad Pitt and Jennifer Aniston, but I was very young that time, and I used to think it's adorable because when Brad Pitt आया था Friends के episode में, and मेरे को बहुत हंसी आई.
You love them.
He's constantly hating on her in that episode, but little did he know he will hate on her in real life later on, in the future.
So they were a power couple.
They were a power couple. They truly came from the best of both worlds and met in the middle, and they both fed off of each other. I think that's a power couple, the one who feeds off of you really well.
Yeah.
Uplifting, but also downlifting so that one doesn't go too high.
Yeah, so she told me a really cool thing, the power bottom.
It's not just limited to gay men.
So what's a power bottom?
The person who uplifts you, who takes your energy, takes your aura, understands you, and then decides, you know what? You're doing nothing in your life, and I will sort you out in every single way, form, and being. And then pushes you to your extreme and your upper limits of existence.
Sounds like an extrovert dating an introvert.
Oh yeah, it could
be.
Or maybe like an introvert just telling the extrovert, पता है हर बार नहीं बोलनी किसी ने रहती है हर चीज out loud.
That's a power bottom.
Baby, no. Someone who just says no to you.
That's
To a yes man.
That's
A no girl to a yes man would be the ideal fit. Or like a no man to a yes girl.
I think I really like couples who rave together. I would like, in my fantasy world, I would love to be a raver couple, though I don't even go to raves.
But what about the toilets, yaar?
No, I don't know.
Festivals, everything.
I'm not thinking raves in India. और बाहर हैं bathrooms.
हैं पर तुम्हें पता है ना क्या? Which is why I'd like to plug in my new product, my UTI spray that I'm currently working on. If you're a woman and you're struggling with UTIs, make sure you reach out to me because I might take away all of your UTI woes. Acha, continue.
What is that? What's your UTI spray?
It's, you know, because अब मैं jobless हूँ ना,
Yeah.
तो not that पहले मैं कभी job full थी, but Right now I'm jobless, so my brain is just constantly thinking of these startup ideas. And recently, the one that I've had is just I've not had a UTI in 5 or 6 years.
Reason?
No UTI.
Reason being?
Hygiene,
Okay.
coconut oil,
Okay.
and a couple of other things that you'll get in my UTI spray. But like, I really do believe this is something I can create, and it will do wonders for women.
Let's do it.
Like a sodium bicarbonate.
Let's create it.
Short girls pussy spray.
Short girls UTI spray.
Short girls vaginal
Sounds
hygiene.
good. Sounds good.
The raving couple. So what would you want to do with
Nothing. I would.
your
I
partner?
think I really love the idea of dancing with someone on the dance floor. जिनके साथ तुम आई कांटेक्ट कर भी सकते हो, नहीं भी कर सकते हो, बट तुम बहुत घंटों तक बस डांस कर सकते हो without thinking anything.
Idea is speaking through in volumes with this raves wala concept. Because देखो ये चीज करनी है in relationships. You realize that.
कि मुझे बात करनी भी है, नहीं भी करनी है, and I just want to be chill. I don't want to think about anything.
Yeah. This is your.
Oh, my relationship fantasy is a flow state.
हाँ, exactly.
I want a
Exactly.
relationship
A dynamic.
constantly in the flow state.
And it's working because then both of you need to be there together.
Yes, yes.
And that's what happens because you're on drugs at raves. So
I didn't think drugs work.
But you know what? Or a UTI spray, you don't know what
Yeah.
you need at a rave. But it happens, you're already there. You realize how fulfilled you are in your own personal
Yes.
desires. And then you can do this release.
That's your ideal relationship.
And then look for someone else to fulfill that. You need to complete yourself. And then that person reaches out and, you form this weird body which just completes itself.
So how do I complete myself?
You're yearning since you were born, brother. It's been coming up with you every day.
How do I complete myself?
By finishing my sentences.
Okay. What do you have an ideal fantasy relationship format?
I might be in one.
Oh, I know which one you are in. You are the traveling couple.
It's the couple that escapes their reality constantly and never seems to find a way of stopping themselves.
They are always traveling.
It's been non-stop travels. It's actually been, there have been moments, I think 10, 20 days in Delhi is just enough time. It's your peak period, which I've discovered recently, where you need to leave. You just have to go somewhere. I don't know what it is. I really don't
Have you met
understand.
another traveling couple and really resonated with them?
No. पागल है क्या? I love meeting a single person when I'm traveling.
Okay, why?
क्योंकि उनकी एनर्जी मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती है. Couples की भी होती है. We'll meet them, we'll have fun, we'll talk, etc. But you know the energy that just one single person or like two people hanging out, two dudes together, two girls together. Okay. तुम उनसे बात करते ना, it's a different conversation altogether. Couples are just not. They'll probably make plans. Oh, we should do this together. Let's just go here. Those single people are ready and willing to do shit immediately that moment.
Yeah.
That's what I love.
Okay.
मेरे को stagnant couple energy नहीं चाहिए.
That's cool.
I want a refreshing take, a lemonade, a lemon mixed lime soda with the right amount of sweet and salt.
I also think people have forgotten how to flirt.
हाँ, मैं तो भूल ही गई हूँ.
No one knows how to flirt anymore.
And how do you? What is it? Just DMs? Maybe they're so good on texting though.
Flirt, by flirting I mean wordplay actually.
What do you mean? Are you just puns?
Yeah, just like puns or saying shit, but it doesn't mean that like I want to date you. It's like healthy flirting.
You're just being funny.
Yeah, super funny, presence of mind,
That was always
so witty.
what I used to think that just being funny was. I didn't realize I was flirting a lot.
Yeah, okay.
I used to just constantly make a lot of jokes.
Yeah.
And then if someone would laugh enough, that's literally how I met Soil. It's just the jokes for you. Oh, it's working for me then.
So you're a closet stand-up comedian.
I have a list of jokes somewhere.
Closet से याद आया.
मैं think, oh, stand-up comedian, रुक जा, before you go onto the closet. No, don't go into the closet.
I don't want to.
When I was younger, I remember मैं अपने बोर्ड्स के लिए पढ़ रही थी 10th पे और मैंने एक बहुत गंदा जोक ना ऐसे लिखा था, which was something about what a whore at the field what would be the best instrument or the best tool that a prostitute would love using at the field, and I remember it had something to do with being a hoe. Okay, like being a hoe.
Okay.
पर ये मेरा ultimate joke बन गया था, and I remember call कर रही थी, सब पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं और मैं उन्हें call करके, my school friends can attest to this.
You're telling them the joke.
What do you think like वो ठीक है पर syllabus अभी
That's crazy.
क्या बातें कर रही है?
That's crazy. Why didn't you continue writing jokes?
I don't know. I think I didn't get the right audience. वो CBSE ने ना बहुत स्टाइल तो किया हम सबके हो.
Your hopes were stifled.
नहीं, not really. Those carried on. अच्छा बताना closet के बारे में. What did you remember?
Yeah, I want to talk about people who are in closet relationships. Usually they're situationships or
Situationships वाले
Or cousins.
Now we're just going to a different country. What is it?
okay.
No.
I don't know, but yeah, who are these people who are in also it's a term I have coined.
Oh, she has coined closet relationships. It has been done here. You heard it here first. Do not try to go back home and pretend like it's something you just thought of just because we don't know your friends group.
Yeah.
Because it will come back to us.
Yeah.
I've taken care of it.
Yeah.
So, situationship वाले लोग ही closet relationship में हैं. वो situationship बोलते हैं, but that's why they're unwilling to say I'm in a situationship.
But some might say that they're just people who like their privacy.
हाँ ये लोग बोलते हैं, but I don't know. I'm with the thought of if you're in it, you would want.
Yeah, if you're really in it.
Yeah. If you're being, I don't know what they're doing behind the doors, but like at least outside, that's what India needs. We need less of closet relationships and more of people just holding hands and walking around or giving cute little kisses.
That's
वही train station में cute kisses नहीं देता है, वो सिर्फ Western concept है. यहाँ पे
That's- I think that's a good way to kind of like umbrella everything. We need more people holding hands.
for the society, the betterment. नहीं तो they'll come back. Like RSS got so sick of it, they stopped doing anything on Valentine's Day because सब closet relationship में चले गए थे.
That's true.
And when 90s था थोड़ा आ रहे थे बाहर 2000s early में जब वो bars बंद कर रहे थे, couples को handcuff कर
अभी
रहे थे.
करते वो हर 14th February में.
कोई couple
That's so true.
कोई couple नहीं है.
Every Valentine's Day used to be crazy protests.
They're done. They realize कोई नहीं करना चाहता है, किसी को बात भी नहीं करनी.
So they won.
They won. They stifled it down and now they think it's because it's cool. No, you were stifled into being quiet about it.
Now it's all let's hook up with the lights off.
Yeah. Oh. You need nice this light है. This side. It's this one. Candlelight का कभी ऐसा process moment हुआ ही नहीं है. I've never romanticized it. However, solo times I do romanticize. I am yet to find people who are in a relationship who are younger than 30
Yeah.
to talk about their partners on Instagram. I don't see that.
Yeah, because they all want to keep their options open.
But कब तक करोगे तुम? Till it just what? Your skin starts itching.
Yeah, literally, as I talk to people, they have abstract answers. One answer is when I'm financially sufficient,
Yeah.
which is the biggest illusion ever. Because
Yeah.
when will you ever be financially sufficient?
Yeah.
And the second answer is that when I'm self-sufficient, generally speaking.
But I'm a better human being. I'm down for that.
I feel like next year I'll have more physical ailments than this year. I'll have more responsibilities generally. I'll be more prone to stress.
You'll have so many more bills.
Yeah, so I don't think there's ever a good time, but there's always a good person.
There's always a good person who can make good time for you.
Yeah.
So, and Patri matching, I think I'm going to bring my mom on to the
Really?
next episode.
Really?
Sometimes when you do get married, she shows me this. So your chart that is there after you are, like once you're married and everything, there's a separate chart that is created which helps you in identifying and understanding what you're going to be as you get married and how your fortune and stuff changes, which is
Yeah.
कि literally you getting married would bring about a complete different change in your life
I'm ready.
because it makes sense.
Let's get married.
Spend all the time with the other person.
Yeah.
Let's us get married or like let's
No, let's get married. Let's make this a influencer power couple.
yeah. we are that bottom and top.
What's up? Did you just make yourself the bottom? You're just raising me up.
And you're just like, calm down.
You're raising me up.
I'm the wind underneath.
But in my life, I've experienced different relationships. Intellectual relationships, spiritual relationships, inspirational relationships, and platonic ones.
Platonic ones are really the nicest ones.
Yeah.
Why? Because they hold
Platonic
potential.
ones बहुत कम है लेकिन.
Their potential होता है उसमें. So I love platonic relationships, and the reason why I really like it is because there's a lot of potential energy within it. That means it can blossom out into anything, much like a flower bud that's there waiting to be watered and be fed the right sunlight and stuff, and the right jokes are cracked, and the right situations happen, and candlelight dinners, and suddenly, you know, they meet across and they're like, I never saw you like that before. Have you always been the one for me? And फिर वो आ जाता है, वो बहुत cute होता है ना, and सारी rom-coms in the night.
So in her story, platonic relationships end up in love relationships.
Yes. Well, platonic है because of an obstacle in my head, I assume. I don't know.
Oh, I know the obstacle. According to Simi Auntie from Netflix, the obstacle is that we now have really high standards.
Do we? No.
Yeah.
कम होते जा रहे हैं.
Because when people are staying single, na, because or they're not committing, or they're closet dating,
That makes
or they're in situationships because they're waiting for one person to check all the boxes.
हाँ.
Simi Auntie is saying, "Beta, fuck
Chill
the
out.
boxes. जो 2-3 columns मिल रहे हैं, enjoy that."
That's true. And build on the other ones. Now you can create your own columns.
Yeah.
Why do you want to wait around on like already organized columns? अपने boxes
That's
बना.
impossible to achieve.
No one can get that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I do feel like I'm getting more relaxed about what I want. I remember me and Vishakha used to have a list of the type of boy we want. 8th में हमने एक list बनाई थी ऐसे, and it had so many different. एक तो Pride and Prejudice पढ़ ली, पता नहीं क्या-क्या books भी पढ़
Yeah.
ली, extra
But
romantic.
all those answers were taken from other people. It has to be funny. He knows how to cook. Tall, dark, handsome.
lanky, lean. ऐसी चीजें. Tall तो अभी भी एक ही है मेरा standard. Clearly, as a short Pahadi girl, all I ever want is a tall boy, and all my cousins are fulfilling this agenda of
I
ours.
just want someone really kind and gentle, but also really crazy and ambitious.
I said who is bipolar.
Crazy, ambitious, gentle, and kind.
Oh, I can introduce you to some.
Lots of open heart.
हाँ, ठीक है. Open heart energy. Who's saying yes
Yes.
to a lot of things,
Yes.
but also telling you it's
They're also strategic.
yeah. Planning the trips. I found one. एक जो trip plan कर लेते हो और निकल जाते हो तो. That's the details done.
Cool.
We can do like
Cheers.
Why won't you just like and comment? Do it. Do it now.
It's not that hard. Aren't we your friends?
Press that link below.
Bye.